the sprite sheet. This is my sprite sheet for now. Probably will get a better one soon. So you guys aren't like looking at the worst video ever. So each sprite on my sprite sheet is 15 by 15. Probably not the best size, but who knows. So first let's create a new package called com.tuttiles.gfx graphics. Okay, that is the best error ever. Makes sense. Okay. So first of all, let's create a new class called I think we should do Sprite Sheet first. So in Sprite Sheet, we will have a private void, or no, public void get sprite. This will take int column. No, I'm gonna call it call int row, int width, int height, but they're gonna be W and H. So Sprite Sheet, we're going to take a for the constructor, we're going to take in a what is it, buffered image. So you say img. So okay, that was weird. Command Shift O, automatically imports, which I really like. So private buffered image. This dot image equals image. And for get sprite, it won't be a void, it will be a buffered image. So we will return image dot get subimage. We will call times 15 row times 15 width and height. So that is pretty much all we need to do in Sprite Sheet class. Next, let's do image loader. This is going to be called, I don't know, this is going to be called, let's say, public void load. Why do I keep doing void? Just used to void. Buffered image load. This is going to take a string path. Return image io dot read get class dot get resource as stream. Yeah, it has to be. Actually, no, let's try a get resource without as stream. Yeah, I think that would be better. So now let's add a try catch. System.out.println fatal error. Image loading was failed. Okay. So also we must return null at the end if the image doesn't work, or if the process doesn't work. So let's save that. And these are very short classes. We also have image manager Actually, it's called the Sprite Manager. I like that better. So let's say public Sprite Manager. This is gonna take Sprite Sheet SS, and then all we're going to do is make public player or public buffered image player, because that is all we are all I have in my Sprite Sheet so far. So in our constructor, all we do is player equals ss dot get sprite 0 0 15 15. So first of all, let me tell you what this all means, starting with the Sprite Sheet class. First of all, in Sprite Sheet, we have a buffered image, which is supposed to be our Sprite Sheet, like the actual PNG image. Like that. So, in our constructor, we take our Sprite Sheet in and classify our other Sprite Sheet as that Sprite Sheet. Then in our getSprite method, it gives us a sub-image or one sprite of the whole Sprite Sheet by saying the column times 15 is the actual x of the image, the row times 15 is the actual y of the image. So yeah, and then the width and height, probably easy to do or easy to think about. Then Sprite Manager is the easiest class we have. Public Sprite Manager Sprite Sheet SS, and we have public buffered image player, and player is equal to our Sprite Sheet getting the sprite of 0, the sprite at 0, 0, 15, and the width of 15 and height of 15. Now an image loader is pretty easy. It's just getting the resource that is at path. So that is our Sprite Sheet. I hope this works, because last time I tried this, it didn't really work. So yeah. Let's just create a quick player class in a package called entities. New class player. So public player. Let's take a Sprite Manager SM. Private Sprite Manager SM. This dot SM equals SM. Now let's also take a private double XY. Let's say x equals 200, y equals 200, just quickly. And we'll also take public void draw player. And let's take graphics g.draw image sm.player x y 15 15 null. Oh, and also we have to cast x and y to int. There we go. Okay. So this is probably going, I hope it works. So let's take a private void draw things. Let's take a buffer strategy BS. If BS equals null, then create buffer strategy. Actually, no, that's not what we're gonna do. We're going to do this dot get buffer strategy. Create buffer strategy 3. BS equals this dot get buffer strategy. Graphics G equals BS dot get draw graphics. And let's also create our player object. But first we need to create our image manager and stuff. Not image manager, sprite manager. Private sprite sheet SS. Private sprite manager SM and private image loader loader in an init. Let's do loader equals new image loader SS equals new sprite sheet, and let's take a loader dot load slash sprite sheet dot png, because we would have to do res slash sprite sheet dot png, but since it's a class folder, we only do slash sprite sheet because yeah. And then sm equals new sprite manager SS. We are done with that now. So now we could just do create a player object. Can't believe I forgot that again. Private player equals new player or SM. Now player dot draw player G. So this should draw player at. Oh wait, we never called it. Draw things. Oh yeah. Okay, bs.show and g.dispose. Yes, our player is showing up. Sort of. But it's super tiny. So what we gotta do is let's just do 45, I guess. Okay, that's a little too big. So let's keep it at 30. Okay, guys, I guess that's the episode. Bye.